Hey, what's up, you crazy, beautiful individuals? My name is Clay, and this is the Mad Hatter Media channel. And today, this video is going to be about the MX Master 3. Okay, so MX Master 3. If you found this video, you've probably seen other videos on YouTube, and you know the word on this mouse, which means that it is the productivity king. And it is. I'm not going to dispute that. I'm gonna go ahead and say, if you wanna get stuff done, this mouse is the one. So the MX Master series of mice have always been just a really good, really killer, just, an out of the ballpark design. Ever since the original MX Master, the MX Masters 1, 2, and 3 have all shared a really similar design. 1 and 2 being basically pretty much the same, and 3 having a little bit of a touch up at the end where you place your fingers. So not only that, but they've improved on several other important things, like making sure that the separation, clickability, and tactile feel was not only improved, but pretty much really figured out what it needed from the MX Masters 1 and 2, and then just polished it up and gave us the 3 and said, boom, here you go. Make stuff with it. And with this mouse, it makes it really easy to do that. Now, as most of you know, it does come in 2 colorways, and obviously this is the graphite gray one. The other color looks really nice too. I just personally didn't get it because it didn't match anything in my own setup. But anyway, still killer color choices. So I've still got my MX Master 1 buried around here somewhere. I'll find it someday, but it still works. I couldn't kill it even if I tried. Okay, so actually I found my MX Master 1, and you can pretty much see what I was talking about right off the bat. You can see how these 2 thumb buttons aren't very separated. And they were just really hard to hit accurately, and if you hit one, you hit the other, and it was just the worst part of the mouse. Still an overall great mouse, obviously. The scroll wheel has always been great. But anyway, again, moving on from that. So like I said before, they changed the design of the tip. Maybe it's better, maybe it's worse, I don't know, you decide for yourself. But anyway, as far as using it, clearly doesn't really make that much of a difference. And anyway, again, Logitech hit the ball out of the park with the initial design of it. From the MX Master 1 to the MX Master 3, it stayed relatively the same palm style and dimensions, and they've just really expanded on the feature set, as well as also expanding features on the Logitech software. Because when you take a design like the MX Master 3, there was already a home run product design and just continue to get further refined from there. Well, how do you make it better at that point? Well, obviously you can go ahead and try to make it lighter. And I think as far as consumers and productivity users that are looking to buy and use this type of mouse on a day-to-day could actually greatly benefit from that. So yeah, as far as MX Master 4 goes, that's the only thing that I'd really like to see. I mean, well, actually that and the wing right here, I think it comes out a little bit far. I think they could dial the size of this down a little bit and still be overall totally fine. So maybe just tone it down in that one aspect, as in we know it's a kind of in-your-face, totally ergonomic, made to fit in the palm of your hand type of mouse. You're welcome. So yeah, in my opinion, this is one of the few products that I would say is worth every bit of the money that they charge for it. I really don't pay full price for anything. If I want to get something, I'll wait until it gets on sale or find out some way to not pay full price for it. But yeah, as far as regular retail price, it's $99 in Best Buy and Amazon. And so yeah, it's a great overall mouse for productivity and day-to-day use. So I just wanted to give my opinion on it and talk about it a little bit. So yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think, and have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.